Now we're going to talk about how to clean your electronic and television screens. It's very important because they are very fragile. Start by dusting your electronic screens. You can use either a regular duster or a dry microfiber towel. Use one of the fuzzy microfiber towels will be best, but keep it just moving in one direction, just sweeping across your screen. If you don't dust before you spray anything on it, you will risk scratching your screen with small particles. For regular cleaning, typically all you're going to need to do is dusting. However, when you start to see spots on your screen, it's time to start using a bit of a solution. Taking some distilled water and a microfiber cloth is all you need in order to clean it. Never spray it directly onto the screen as this will damage the screen. It should not be absorbing that much water. So spray the distilled water onto the rag and wipe in a singular direction. I'm going horizontal, but you could go vertically. This is just going to pick up any extra gunk and clean it up. Should you notice a couple of small spots that you see on your screen, you don't want to just take it in and start scrubbing it. It's really important just to do a very light rub until it's gone. Always remember never to use any chemicals, just distilled water on your screen. Chemicals can start damaging the picture and you'll notice a huge difference over time on your television. And now that your TV is clean, remember, all you need is a light dusting regularly and only use the water solution on stains as needed.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Home Reimagined for more cleaning and organization content.